Hello everybody, I would like to introduce overview the system. Diagram consists of main blocks. Block of center sexing, block of URT tension, block of sensor, block of peripherals, blocks mobile or tablet, and block of control tilters. Function of each block. Block of center sexing. The main board material functioning in gathering material from sensors and controlling flux of control tilters when the user wants to turn on or turn off the oscilloscope per machine through the method. Block of UART tension. The amount of UART lines of material is not adapted for block of peripherals, so flux of UART tension is put in the system aiming at the lower UART lines. Block of sensors measuring and getting the environmental factors, oxygen, pH, temperatures, and ammonia, in which ammonia is simulated by potentiometers because the expense of ammonia sensor is very expensive. Block of peripherals. In the port LCD screen have the user can see environmental factors directly. The keyboard has a function to load the threshold factors. Forming the step calibrate the sensor. Zigbee is a kind wireless standard operating on a range frequency 2.4 GHz and serving the energies that have to connect wireless between flow center sensing and flow sensors. Model RTC has a function to set up time measuring sensors. Model SIM have to connect between cell phone and flow center processing. Block of mobile or tablet. Our team has developed software have a friendly interface useful for the user with equipment choices. Android software with named MES, helping the user can control the environmental factors of stream farming and warning when the environment changes. Besides, the user can use their cell phone to send out messages to various kinds of cell phone. Block of control tilters. With the processing unit that is put in block of control tilters, helping to control the received factors from the flux of center processing to control the pump through model Zigbee. First, start the system. The LCD screen displays the information, updates of LCDs and status of the modem. Waiting a minute. The system allows adjustment of the upper and lower range of environmental factors. After updating the factors of a threshold, then we need to calibrate the oxygen factors. We need to add the oxygen sensors and temperature sensor because temperatures relate to oxygen factors. Then turn off the oxygen sensor and the temperature sensor. Waiting about 2 minutes. The environmental factors is updated on the LCD. Next, the system will be connected to model SIM through software MES. Transformation to get the information from sensors. You can see the environmental factors update to MES. Press the on button to turn on the oxygen pump machine. Wait a minute. Oxygen pump machine is turned on. The pump machine state is displayed here. Press the off button to turn on the oxygen pump machine. Wait a minute. The oxygen pump machine is turned off. Then we will test alarm function. The temperature is 29. You can see the temperature drops. 26. 21. 'Then the phone alarm because temperature is below the threshold.